Carrots and radishes are two of the easiest crops to grow in a spring garden, but a lot of gardeners plant them wrong or end up with tiny carrots or nothing at all. Been there, done that. Today we're planting carrots and radishes the calm OCDish way. So you get straight carrots, quick radishes, and a harvest you can actually be proud of. All you'll need are carrot seeds, radish seeds, loose soil, and a little patience. Welcome back, Eloc Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm a Maryland urban small space gardener growing in Zone 7B. Carrots and radishes are direct sown crops, which means you plant them straight into the garden bed. First step is making sure that your soil is nice and loose. Carrots grow downward, so if your soil is hard or full of rocks, they'll grow crooked. If plants can't breathe, they're not going to act right. Because carrots and radishes are root crops, this is where I like to add big root energy. And mix it in. Break up the soil and smooth the surface. Remove any large chunks of sticks or wood. Unfortunately, these days, a lot of the potting mixes have large pieces of wood chips in the bag. Simply remove them as best as you can. Carrots like calm, soft soil, not chaos. For carrots and radishes, the seed should only be planted about a 1/4 inch deep. One of the mistakes gardeners make is planting the seeds too close together. If carrots are crowded, they'll stay small and thin. Try to space them about 1 to 2 inches apart. If you plant them too closely together, you can thin them out later. It can be tedious, but it can be done. Most seed packets have directions right on the back of the packet. I advise you to follow those directions, especially if you are a new gardener, if you've never planted or sown seeds before. I'm just going to keep dropping them and separating them as best as I can. Seeds are super small. It's really hard to see them. Root crops like carrots and radishes benefit from phosphorus, which helps develop strong roots. Radishes grow very fast. They're usually ready in 25 to 30 days. Because they grow so quickly, they're great for beginner gardeners. You want to space these about 1 inch apart. Cover that in. After planting, gently water in the bed. Soil should stay consistently moist, especially while seeds are germinating. When will seeds sprout? Radish seeds usually sprout in about 3 to 5 days. Now, carrots, they take a little longer, around 7 to 14 days. When growing carrots, you're going to need a lot of patience. If you're new to gardening, carrots and radishes are a great place to start. They grow quickly and they're very satisfying to harvest. Let me know in the comments what you're growing in your garden this season, and I'll tell you which Garden Auntie fertilizer to use. And if you're gardening in Zone 7B like me, make sure you subscribe because we're planting something new every week. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.